What's good? What's good? Greetings and salutations. Hope everybody's doing well. It's Victoria Day here in Canada. A little holiday Monday. Sun is shining. Anyways, we're gonna go over BTC. We're sitting at 27k, up 0.27 on the day. Seeing market cap of 524 billion. 24-hour volume 10.85 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So I'm still leaning bullish, to be honest. I think that this could be an ending diagonal wave C. I could easily be wrong, but you'd be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially come down 5, and then break to the upside. I will go over the bearish scenario as well. If we can get back above about 27.5, break that B wave high, that's more confirmation. If we do break down, it's definitely possible that we could break down. Even if I'm leaning bullish, we could easily break down and be looking at an ending diagonal. So you'd be coming down the wave 5. Right now I have a 1, 2, potentially putting in an ABC to come down to the 3, 4, 5. That would take you down to about 25.5k. It's possible. I am leaning a little bit more bullish, but as I said, it could easily go either way. So we need to see that confirmation or continuation to the downside. On the daily chart, we have printed the bearish cross of the 20 EMA over the 55. We're underneath this head and shoulders. So we do have some bearish signals on the daily, but at the weekly chart, we're looking really good. We're sitting right on top of the 200-week moving average, the 50 EMA and the 20 EMA. So even if we break down a little bit to, 25.5k, I do think we are going to bounce relatively soon. As I mentioned, every time the EMAs got this tight in the bear market after we broke below them right here in 2019, the bottom was in, and in 2014, 2015, when we broke below the EMAs, we got back above them and they got tight. We never failed to hold them. So we'll see what happens in 2023, but I think the high probability is continuation to the upside. The DXY, this might be an extended wave 3 all the way up to the 2.618. And this was the wave 4, and now you're looking to put in a wave 5 that could take you up to about 103 before potentially seeing that large rejection, in my opinion. If you do see that push up for the DXY, it would give BTC the opportunity to come down. So do watch for that. If we do see continuation up, I think we're going to get rejected soon and see a large pullback. And that's when we'll see Bitcoin absolutely take off, in my opinion. So those are your two scenarios. If we get rejected here, we come down, look for that wave 3, take you down to the bottom of this channel, probably take you down to about 26k, bounce in a 4, come down in a 5 to about 25.5k. As I mentioned, I am leaning a little bit, I just lost the chart. I am leaning a little bit more towards my bullish count that I had just shown there. Basically what you'd be looking at is this was the push up in the wave 1. This is a pullback in a 2, looking to continue up in a 3. Confirmation is to break above 27.5k, but it could easily go either way. All right, gang. Currently, we're in 3 trades. You can get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis if you make your first deposit on either Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading on Bitget. Check out my full length tutorials. Takes 2 minutes. Make your deposit. Email me or sign up email. 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all place. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month, and you can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.